Hello YouTube, hello my viewers. As you can see, I have two Parkside batteries here. These are the 4 amp hours and I will show you the model number PAPS 204A1. They are both the same, as you can see here, and have been using this today outside, and when I wanted to charge them, one is charging, it's already full. Normally it turns red when it's charging, and this one gives an error. As you can see, it starts charging and then both LEDs starting to flash. Now you might have seen some videos about how to solve this problem. I wanted to try it for myself, and that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'm gonna show you how to make this one work again. As you can see, it's completely empty, completely drained, doesn't even come on. Show you the other one. It's charged fully. I'm gonna put this one away. A little bit more closing it up to show you what I'm gonna do. I have two wires here. These are hard wires, as you can see here. So I connected one of the wires from the negative to the negative, and the other one goes into the positive to the other positive. Make sure they clamp in and make a connection. This one is making connection. This one is making connection. Now I'm going to leave it here for about 20-30 minutes. Now, of course, I did read and see, yeah, you have to put it in like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. I'm now here, it's about 6-7 minutes, and I'm going to give it a test if it will charge again. So I'm gonna remove these cables. This is the good one. Oh, it really drained, as you can see. It was completely full. That one is charging, and this was the bad one. The LED is still not working. But let's see if it charges. And it does charge. Let me see the LED. As you can see here, the green one is charging. It's blinking. And then the bad one, also the green one is blinking. So it is charging. So let me wait until it's fully charged, and then we will test it on a machine. So as you can see, both fully charged. And of course I'm going to give them both a test. LED is working on this one. And the LED light is working on this one as well. So the battery works again, but I discovered that this one is not working. When I put it in the charger, it will light up. I will show you. As you can see here. But the battery indication, if you push the button, it's not working. So I'm gonna open it up. The battery is working again. I'm gonna open it up, see if I can fix that. I did a hell of a dirty job with very fine dust. So maybe that caused a problem, I'm not sure. You can still see the dust a little bit, but I'm going to open it up and see if I can fix this LEDs. And I will show that in another video. For now, thanks for watching. I hope I helped you out with this, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. You will be notified about new videos. And please leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.